Here is a simplification problem. We have 3c all over c squared minus d squared minus 3d all over d squared minus c squared. I want to simplify this. Now, looking closely, you will see that this expression here, right, is just the negative of this one. So in that case, a good way to start is to rewrite one of this expression. So let's just rewrite the second one here. This d squared minus c squared. It can be written as 3c all over c squared minus d squared minus 3d all over, this can be written as the negative of d squared, negative of c squared, negative of c squared minus d squared. Okay? And it should be observed that a negative divided by a negative will give us a positive. Okay? Meaning if you have a negative 5, for example, divided by a negative 5, you get a positive 1. Okay, so we can apply that concept here such that this can be written as 3c all over c squared minus d squared plus 3d all over c squared minus d squared. Now we have a common denominator. Okay, since we have a common denominator, then this becomes c squared minus d squared, and this becomes 3c plus 3d. Okay, observe that this is the denominator here now is difference of 2 squared. Meaning this expression can be rewritten as 3c, and 3 is common. We can say 3 factorized out here. All over, this is the difference of 2 squared, which is c squared, which is c plus d and c minus d. Okay, and from here, we can cancel out the duplication. We have c plus d here, we have c plus d here. So the entire expression reduced to 3 all over c minus d. And the correct option for this 3 all over c minus d is option C.